Hello, my name is Nathaniel from Alphacool, and today I want to introduce our new child of the Eisbaer family, the Eisbaer LT. The light version of the world famous, award-winning, world best performed, all-in-one ever. This Eisbaer LT has a lot of features that I want to show in this video, but it has the same quality, close to the same cooling performance, but at a much deeper price level. So this is interesting, and all the details you will get right now. The first important difference is the radiator. Of course, this is a full copper radiator, yes, but it is ultra slim. While this has 30 millimeters, we've reduced it to 25. Plus, we've changed the design a little. As you see, the different chambers here at the backs. And this makes it possible for you to mount it in computer cases that have a very small distance between the radiator and the main board. So now, a lot of more combinations are possible for you. The second important thing is, of course, the fan. We use the Alphacool Ice Wind fan. This is a 1000 times approved fan from the bigger brother here. And this fan, just to give you some information, is a wide range from 550 RPM to 1700. And this gives you a range between very low noise up to strong cooling power. You can regulate the fan with a 4-pin PWM plug. And this goes into your mainboard at several locations here, and you can control it over the BIOS, or maybe you plug it into a fan controller and control it there. The next thing is here the quick coupling connector. Well, this is so important because this offers you the door, it opens the door to the Alphacool Eisbaer Ready products. You see one here, this is pre-filled. It, by the way, has also a second pump, so you have 2 pumps in the system if you use it, and you can connect it with this connector without losing water, without any need to refill the system. It's easy to use for beginners, and even professionals love it. The main difference between these two systems is, of course, the CPU Waterblock unit. As you can see here, the Eisbaer LT is very flexible. You can mount it in any position how you want it, and it is so small and thin that it fits to mini cases. Well, of course, also the surface looks different. It's very stylish and has a new design. And from the bottom, you see the high performance copper bottom plate here with the pump above and the reservoir included. And this CPU fits on all AMD and Intel sockets, including the AMD Ryzen. And for the Threadripper, we even offer a separated mounting plate. So what you will get is, out of this box, for 120mm radiator, 240, 360, already everything is included. It is pre-filled, it is pre-assembled, ready to use. It is expandable. It is a CPU cooler with a copper bottom, a full copper radiator. All the mounting material is included, and of course a manual and whatever you will need. So how much does it cost you? Well, this version at the Eisbaer, the bigger brother, is 120 euro. The Eisbaer LT at the same 240mm version is 90 euro. That's 30 euro less. Go and get it. €90. How? 80, 90, 110.
Yes.
How is this supposed to work?
Well, if you can do it, why not? We are Alphacool, we can offer it at this price, with this price, so it's okay.
90 euro. Complete everything.
Well, it's a great offer, so...
I still can't believe it. 80, 90.